What is this box, ma?
Activity box.
Activity box?
Yeah.
What is activity box is this?
Magic plate.
We're gonna put in.
Let's open.
So we recently bought this Magic Crate membership.
What's this? What's that?
What's this? You don't know what is this?
What's this?
You just tell me what is this? Which paper this is? Instruction paper. What is that? Wow, you got a story
What
book.
size? Oh,
Wow, you got what?
Baby, look at that, ma. Pixel art.
See, wow.
and then look at this one.
What is that?
Cakes and cones. What do you need to do with cakes and cones? Set up your shop, ma. You're going to set up a cakes and cone shop.
Yeah.
You're going to keep shops.
I have cupcake. This is a rainbow ice cream cone.
Yes.
It
Keep,
shops.
keep it one by one. Okay, just keep it then. Okay, see the pixel art? This is cakes and cones, let it be. Then pixel art, how do you play pixel art? This looks very colorful. See that, baby? Pixel art, look at that.
Oh, there's lots of leaves.
You can keep it here. Yeah, look at all the blocks here. With that, you can form a pixel art. Okay? Sorry, slower. You can keep it like this. Huh? And then you can keep one brown here, one yellow here. What art you need to make is
The
you
red.
have to form the numbers. The page po. Yeah. See, baby, you can make something like this. You can make a shape like this.
Yeah.
Do you want to make like this?
Yeah, I can make this one.
Baby, you want to make like this? Let's say this yellow and brown.
Yeah.
Okay.
I made this one.
Pixel art is so nice, baby. Look at this, ma. You can make this house. Baby, look at this. You can make this house. You can make boat, baby. You can make boat. You can make cupcake.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. You can make, what is this? Rocket.
Rocket.
What is this? Fish.
Fish.
எல்லாம் நிறைய இருக்கு பண்ண. What is the next one?
Circus tent.
Circus tent.
You're going to make now circus tent.
Steak.
How to make that?
Circus.
So you need to fit everything and then
Some puzzles are there inside.
oh, there is some more puzzles there, see?
Oh, some more puzzles.
Yeah.
Are these puzzles?
Yes.
those puzzles, you need to make something like this. This is the circus
I don't have
tent game. This is pixel art. This is circus tent. You have to change it, okay? Okay, now we will play this later. Let's play that pixel art. Pixel art. Let's try one shape, okay? Let's keep a number, okay? Number is interesting. Which number you want to keep? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 you want to keep, okay? Okay, let's keep it with red, okay? Take all the red.
Let's take brown first.
Brown in the red, we can keep red only 1. You are finding it difficult to take this, huh? Okay, leave it. See, 1 will have all red. So you have to keep red here also. Take one red and keep here.
Take red.
Keep here.
Good. Perfect.
One more. Okay. One more. Yeah. One more.
Which shape that is?
See at the top. Top there is what? Triangle, right?
Triangle.
Yeah. Keep the same here.
So here,
Here.
here.
Yeah. Abdi, I can. Should keep
See there.
like this.
I want these puzzles.
Okay. Let's complete this and then we'll play that. Now keep the 1.
So you can keep. See it.
See how is it?
Where they get.
The triangle here. How is it? Keep it like that.
Triangle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here,
You can keep.
here.
No, here. It's here. Okay.
Oh, Vishnu.
See, one is done. See.
Now it's done. Now I have a brown. What's that?
Brown.
Mommy.
எங்க போயிருந்த?
Okay, now.
இவ்வளவு அங்க
we
என்ன
will
பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த?
make 2 or 3. 4 will make, baby.
No.
4 it's very easy to make for you. 4 will make.
No.
Okay, what do you want to play then?
This one.
You want to play that? Okay. Cool. இந்தா.
Yeah, this is.
இதை வேணா உள்ள பேக் பண்ணிருங்க. Tomorrow you can play. So this is cone. So you like the games?
Yeah, it's so I love it.
Okay. So this had 3 games. One is the circus Tetris, pixel art, and then cups and cupcakes and ice cream cones. So this is quite a good game. I like the pixel art game that they have sent. So yeah, if you want to try this game, try Magic Crate. Do give them a try. If you have a kid who is under the age of 3 years, they will like these games. So they call this a math mission. So like I said, actually 4 games are there. Cakes and Cones, Pixel Art, My First Book of Sizes, and Circus Tetris. Where is this My First Book of Sizes game, baby? Oh, you saw this?
Yeah.
Who is this, ma?
A teddy bear.
Teddy bear, yeah. See this? What is this?
It's more stickers.
Yeah, stickers.
Stickers.
Oh, let's take one by one and then play. Wow, look at this story. Today I'll tell you a story. A story about 3 bears. You may have already heard it, but this one I just had to share. See here, see the story. See, now they're asking Daddy bear was big, Mama bear was middle size, Baby bear was small. Now take the sticker and paste. Who is big here?
Daddy.
Daddy bear. Take the sticker. Daddy is there. Take the daddy sticker. Okay. I will help you get it. Yeah. Paste it here. Paste it here.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy bear is big. Shall it B I G? Big.
Big.
Okay. Who is medium? Mama bear.
Mama bear.
Take the mama bear. Okay, I'll help you. Yeah, here, mama bear.
Mama bear. Now the bear.
Yeah.
Now have fun, baby.
Baby is here. See, this is baby bear.
Baby bear. Oh, a different coat. Now this, open this toy.
The baby bear, stick the baby bear. Nice. Mama Peppa bear is big. Mama bear is medium. Baby bear is small. High five. Give me a high five. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Power on. Okay. Now more. Dressing up baby bear. Then you can play how tall are baby bear and his friends. See, I have so many games. Now Mama bear loves her garden. Help daddy bear find his chair. This thing. This also you can play another day. Okay, that's it. 4 different games in this package: Cakes and Cones, Pixel Art, My First Book of Sizes, Circus Tetris. My First Book of Sizes also has a lot of stickers like we just played. And it's also good. Pixel Art is also good. Thanks, Magic Crate. Do try it out. Thanks for your.